I bet you didn't know polar bears' fur isn't white. Yep, it's true. Let me tell you why. Polar bears might look white, but their fur is actually transparent. Each hair is a hollow tube that reflects and scatters light, making them appear white. This nifty trick helps them blend into the snowy Arctic environment, providing perfect camouflage against predators and prey alike. But wait, there's more. Their black skin underneath absorbs heat from the sun, helping them stay warm in the freezing temperatures. And here's a fun fact, polar bears are excellent swimmers. They can paddle for miles, all thanks to their partially webbed front paws. So next time you see a picture of these Arctic giants, remember their white fur is just an illusion. Nature never ceases to amaze, right? Stay curious and keep exploring.